In today's digital age, the possibilities of earning money online are endless. Imagine making $789 per day from the comfort of your own home, all thanks to the power of AI technology. This revolutionary technology has transformed the way we approach online income generation, offering unprecedented opportunities for individuals to achieve financial success like never before. Significance of leveraging AI technology for online income generation. Leveraging AI technology for online income generation is a game changer. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, allowing for more accurate predictions and smarter decision-making. This means that individuals can tap into the power of AI to optimize their online ventures, leading to increased efficiency and profitability. Highlight of earning potential of $789 per day. The earning potential of $789 per day may seem like a lofty goal, but with the right strategies and tools in place, it is entirely achievable. AI technology can help individuals identify lucrative opportunities, automate repetitive tasks, and optimize their online presence for maximum profitability. By harnessing the power of AI, individuals can unlock new streams of income and reach their financial goals faster than ever before. Curiosity about benefits of AI in online money-making. The benefits of AI in online money-making are vast and varied. From personalized recommendations to predictive analytics, AI technology can revolutionize the way individuals approach online income generation. By harnessing the power of AI, individuals can streamline their processes, increase their productivity, and ultimately, boost their earnings to new heights. Stay tuned to discover how you can leverage AI technology to make $789 per day online. Understanding AI technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a cutting-edge technology that simulates human intelligence processes, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. In the realm of online income generation, AI plays a crucial role in automating tasks to enhance efficiency and drive profitability. Define AI and its role in automating tasks for efficiency. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. In the context of online income generation, AI technology can automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer service inquiries, and content creation. By leveraging AI-powered tools, individuals can free up their time to focus on high-value activities, ultimately increasing their productivity and earnings. Explore AI tools like chatbots, algorithms, and data analysis for online businesses. AI tools like chatbots, algorithms, and data analysis have revolutionized the way online businesses operate. Chatbots can provide instant customer support, algorithms can optimize advertising campaigns, and data analysis can uncover valuable insights for strategic decision-making. By incorporating these AI tools into their online ventures, individuals can streamline their operations, improve customer experiences, and drive revenue growth. Discuss how AI can optimize processes to increase earnings. AI has the potential to optimize processes across all aspects of online income generation, from marketing and sales to customer service and product development. By harnessing the power of AI, individuals can identify trends, personalize experiences, and make data-driven decisions that lead to increased earnings. With AI technology at their disposal, individuals can unlock new opportunities for growth and success in the competitive online landscape. Identifying profitable online ventures. In the digital age, the key to success in online income generation lies in identifying lucrative opportunities that align with the power of AI technology. By researching trending online niches, evaluating demand and competition, and selecting platforms that support AI integration, individuals can maximize their earning potential and achieve financial success. Research trending online niches such as e-commerce, digital marketing, and online tutoring. To identify profitable online ventures, it is essential to research trending niches that are experiencing growth and demand. E-commerce, digital marketing, and online tutoring are just a few examples of lucrative sectors that offer ample opportunities for individuals to capitalize on. By understanding market trends and consumer behavior within these niches, individuals can position themselves for success in the competitive online landscape. Evaluate the demand and competition in chosen online sectors. Once potential online niches have been identified, it is crucial to evaluate the demand and competition within these sectors. Understanding the needs of target audiences and assessing the competitive landscape can help individuals determine the viability of their chosen online ventures. By conducting thorough market research, individuals can make informed decisions that set them up for success in their online endeavors. Select platforms that support AI integration for enhanced results. Incorporating AI technology into online ventures can significantly enhance results and drive profitability. When selecting platforms to host their online businesses, individuals should prioritize those that support AI integration. By leveraging AI-powered tools and features, individuals can streamline processes, optimize performance, and ultimately, maximize their earnings in the online space. Stay tuned to discover how you can leverage AI technology to identify and capitalize on profitable online opportunities. Implementing AI strategies. To maximize online earnings, it is essential to implement effective AI strategies that leverage the power of artificial intelligence to enhance various aspects of online income generation. By utilizing AI for personalized marketing campaigns, automating customer service with AI chatbots, and optimizing SEO strategies with AI tools, individuals can streamline their operations, improve user experiences, and drive revenue growth. Utilize AI for personalized marketing campaigns to target specific audiences. Personalized marketing campaigns are key to engaging with target audiences and driving conversions. By utilizing AI technology, individuals can analyze customer data, behavior patterns, and preferences to create tailored marketing messages that resonate with specific audiences. AI algorithms can segment audiences, deliver personalized content, and optimize campaign performance for maximum impact and ROI. Automate customer service using AI chatbots for improved user experience. AI chatbots have revolutionized customer service by providing instant support and assistance to users 24/7. By implementing AI-powered chatbots on websites and social media platforms, individuals can automate customer interactions, resolve queries efficiently, and enhance the overall user experience. AI chatbots can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, freeing up time for individuals to focus on other aspects of their online ventures. Optimize SEO strategies with AI tools for better online visibility. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for improving online visibility and driving organic traffic to websites. By leveraging AI tools for keyword research, content optimization, and link building, individuals can enhance their SEO strategies and improve their search engine rankings. AI technology can analyze search trends, identify relevant keywords, and suggest optimization techniques to help individuals attract more visitors and increase their online visibility. Stay tuned to discover how you can implement AI strategies to maximize your online earnings. Monitoring and adjusting. Monitoring AI-driven online activities and making necessary adjustments are essential steps in optimizing online income generation strategies. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, analyzing data insights provided by AI tools, and staying updated with AI advancements, individuals can ensure the success of their AI-driven initiatives and stay competitive in the ever-evolving online market. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of AI strategies. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are essential metrics that help individuals gauge the effectiveness of their AI strategies. By tracking KPIs such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and customer engagement metrics, individuals can measure the impact of their AI-driven initiatives and identify areas for improvement. Monitoring KPIs allows individuals to make data-driven decisions and optimize their online activities for better results. Analyze data insights provided by AI tools to refine online approaches. AI tools provide valuable data insights that can help individuals refine their online approaches and strategies. By analyzing data on user behavior, website performance, and campaign effectiveness, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of their target audience and make informed decisions to enhance their online presence. Leveraging AI-generated insights allows individuals to identify trends, optimize processes, and tailor their strategies for maximum impact. Stay updated with AI advancements to stay competitive in the online market. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new advancements and technologies emerging regularly. To stay competitive in the online market, individuals must stay updated with the latest AI trends, tools, and best practices. By keeping abreast of AI advancements, individuals can leverage cutting-edge technologies to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and maintain a competitive edge in their online ventures. Stay tuned to learn how you can effectively monitor and adjust your AI-driven online activities for optimal results. Scaling up online earnings. Scaling up online earnings beyond $789 per day using AI technology requires strategic planning, innovation, and a willingness to explore new opportunities. By diversifying income sources, investing in advanced AI solutions, and collaborating with AI experts or mentors, individuals can unlock new avenues for growth and achieve higher levels of profitability in their online ventures. Explore diversification strategies to expand income sources. Diversification is key to scaling up online earnings and reducing reliance on a single income stream. By exploring new niches, markets, or product offerings, individuals can expand their income sources and tap into additional revenue streams. Diversification strategies can help individuals mitigate risks, maximize opportunities, and achieve sustainable growth in their online businesses. Invest in advanced AI solutions for enhanced productivity and profitability. Investing in advanced AI solutions can significantly boost productivity and profitability in online ventures. AI technologies such as machine learning algorithms, predictive analytics, and automation tools can streamline processes, optimize performance, and drive efficiency. By leveraging advanced AI solutions, individuals can unlock new capabilities, improve decision-making, and achieve higher returns on their online investments. Collaborate with AI experts or mentors to accelerate online growth. Collaborating with AI experts or mentors can provide valuable insights, guidance, and support to accelerate online growth. By seeking advice from experienced professionals in the field of AI technology, individuals can gain a competitive edge, access industry best practices, and stay ahead of the curve. Collaborating with AI experts can help individuals navigate challenges, identify opportunities, and implement strategies that drive sustainable growth and success in their online endeavors. Stay tuned to discover how you can scale up your online earnings beyond $789 per day using AI technology. The power of AI technology in online income generation cannot be overstated. From automating tasks and optimizing processes to personalizing marketing campaigns and enhancing user experiences, AI has revolutionized the way individuals can earn money online. By leveraging AI-driven strategies, individuals have the potential to earn $789 per day and beyond, transforming their financial prospects and achieving greater success in the digital landscape. AI technology plays a crucial role in streamlining operations, improving efficiency, and driving profitability in online ventures. By harnessing the power of AI tools and solutions, individuals can unlock new opportunities, make data-driven decisions, and stay ahead of the competition in the fast-paced online market. The earning potential of $789 per day through AI-driven strategies is within reach for individuals who are willing to embrace innovation and leverage the capabilities of AI technology. By implementing effective AI strategies, monitoring performance metrics, and making necessary adjustments, individuals can scale up their online earnings and achieve their financial goals. Stay informed, stay ahead, and take action to unlock the full potential of AI in your online income generation journey. Thank you for watching.